People seem to get addicted to television shows like this one.
Like this one, which I am addicted to.
Oh, really?
I am, and I'm very curious about this idea of a Sons of Anarchy prequel. Do you know anything about this, and would you be able to enlighten me?
No, I can't. I mean, I know nothing about
Come on.
it. I really don't.
You really have not heard about it?
No.
Well, I'll tell you, apparently Kurt is considering doing a Sons of Anarchy prequel about the first 9. What do you think about that idea?
I can't speak about that.
Okay.
I really, truly cannot.
Okay. Well, moving on to this next season that's coming
Yeah.
up, season 6.
Yeah.
Bobby cuts out his badge.
Yeah.
What's happening with him?
He needs a vacation. You know?
Is he leaving the club permanently?
No, well, that isn't just because he took off his officer's patch does not mean that he's leaving the club. You can't really leave that club that
Right.
easily. I mean, he is the senior member now, the senior member in that club. Now that Clay is out, we lost all the original 9 are gone. Bobby is the oldest cat around, so I don't think if you followed Bobby's character, he's not really the kind of guy to give up that easy.
I guess then what are the implications of that move for Bobby's relationship with Jax now that Jax is Prez?
Well, he's a little punk. He really ought to, listen to his elders every once in a while. Don't you think? One should
Yeah.
listen to one's elders.
Yeah, I
One
think
should listen to one's elders.
I think that might be a good idea.
I do too.
Can you tell me how many times are we going to see Jax's ass this season? What's the quota?
Ladies out there, I don't think it's Jax's ass on display that much. I don't usually do those scenes with him, so I don't know how many times Jax exposed himself this year. I know
That's true.
I know that Charlie loves to do that.
Oh, I'm sure he does.
All day on set, Charlie is walking around, dropping.
Yeah, just dropping
Drawer.
his pants, right? That's
Yeah,
what I figured.
I mean, us guys are a little tired of it, truthfully.
Yeah.
Like, Jax, enough already.
Yeah, like go put some clothes on, dude.
Just keep him up, It ain't really that good.
No. Not good at all. Have you seen Pacific Rim yet?
I haven't. No.
Haven't? Okay. Was going to ask you a question about that, but that's all right.
I hear he's great, and I hear Ron is really great too.
It's a really fun movie.
Is it? You had fun?
Loved it. I was literally talking to the screen.
I auditioned for the monster.
Why Del Toro? What?
I know.
What are you thinking?
Exactly. I don't know what, I mean,
Look.
I've never met the man. He's an idiot, obviously.
Obviously, he has. Wow, and the gargle
You
at
like
the
the
end.
gargle?
Yeah, that's the best part. You
I
gotta.
didn't even give you the full thing because he doesn't deserve it.
He really doesn't. You got to talk to your boys. They've got to hook it up for the sequel.
That's exactly what I told Charlie day one. I said, you tell that man I got
I got that kaiju on lock.
I got the monster.
Yeah.